Today, I'll show you how to pin multiple locations on Google Maps. Pinning multiple locations is useful when you want to plan a trip, save places to visit, organize deliveries, or create a list of important addresses. First, open Google Maps on your phone or computer. Search for the first location you want to pin. When the place appears on the map, tap or click it to open the location details. Now choose Save. Google Maps will let you save the place to a list, such as Favorites, Want to Go, Travel Plans, or Starred Places. Choose an existing list or create a new list for your locations. For example, you can name it Places to Visit, Client Locations, or Trip Stops. Now go back to the search bar and search for the next location. Open the location details again, tap Save, and add it to the same list. Repeat this process for each location you want to pin. Once all locations are saved, tap your profile picture or go to the Saved tab. Open the list where you saved the places. You should now see all your pinned locations in one place. If you want to create a custom map with multiple pins, use Google My Maps on a computer. Open Google My Maps, create a new map, then search for each location and click Add to Map. This method is better if you want to organize pins into layers, change pin colors, add notes, or share a custom map with someone else. After adding your locations, you can open the map anytime and use it for planning or navigation. And that's it. You now know how to pin multiple locations on Google Maps. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.